Hey there! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you the small business inventory and stock management tracker. If you've ever run out of a bestseller at the worst possible moment, or tied up cash in stock that just sits on the shelf, this workbook is built to fix exactly that. It keeps every product, every purchase, and every sale in one place, so you always know what you have and what you need to reorder. Let's take a look. We start on the Start Here tab. This is your friendly welcome page. It walks you through how the workbook is organized, the order to fill things in, and a few quick tips so you're up and running in just a couple of minutes. Read this first, and everything after it will make sense. Next is the dashboard. This is the view you'll come back to every day. It shows your total inventory value, how many items are low or out of stock, your top movers, and which products need a reorder right now. All of it updates automatically as you log activity, so you get the whole picture at a glance. The Product Master is where every item you sell lives. You enter each product once, with its name, category, cost, price, and reorder point. This single list feeds the rest of the workbook, so the dashboard, orders, and sales all pull from the same source of truth. The Movements tab is your running history of stock coming in and going out. Every time you receive, sell, adjust, or return an item, you log it here, and your on-hand quantities update automatically. It's the heartbeat of the tracker. The Purchase Orders tab helps you restock without the guesswork. You create an order to a supplier, list the products and quantities, and track whether it's been ordered, received, or is still on the way, so nothing falls through the cracks. The sales log records what you're actually selling. Enter each sale, and the workbook lowers your stock, tallies your revenue, and shows you which products are your true winners so you can lean into what's working. The Suppliers tab keeps all your vendor details in one spot, contact info, lead times, and which products each supplier provides. So when it's time to reorder, you know exactly who to call and how long it'll take. Finally, the Settings tab is where you customize the workbook to fit your business, your categories, your units, and the drop-down lists that keep your data clean and consistent everywhere. And that's the whole system. It works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, so you can use it however you like, on your computer or your phone. The link to grab your copy is right there in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and happy selling!